Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can add your business on Google Map. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now, to add a business on Google Map, firstly open your Google Map application. Click on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen and tap on Add Your Business. To create your business profile, enter your business name and its category, then click on Next. If you want to add your location like store or office so that customers can visit, click on Yes or else click on No. This location will show up on Google Maps and search when customers are looking for your business. On the next page, enter your country or region, street address, city and postal code, then click on Next. List of business names will appear on the screen. Confirm if you see your business on any of the options below or else select none of there. Drag and zoom the map and position the marker on exact spot where your business is located and click on Next. If your business provides deliveries or home and office visits, click on Yes or else click on No and tap on Next. Enter your phone number and click on Next. Select a way you want to get verified either through phone code or business video, then tap on Next. Select a way to get your verification code to your phone and press on Next. Enter a verification code sent to your phone and click on Verify. Add your business hours to let your customers know when you are open for business and click on Next. You can also add messaging options to let your customers message you for business for free, or you can also skip this process. On the next page, add business descriptions and click on Next. Add photos of your business to showcase your products and services and then click on Start Now. This is how you can add business on Google Maps quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.